start with our 2.5 problem. So you got -3 plus 6. And there's many ways you could have done this. I had some students drawing a number line, and here's 0, and then they went -3, and then they added 6 to that, and that got them 2, 3. So that was their answer. But a -6 plus 6 is really 6 minus 3. We're combining those terms. So 6 minus 3 is the same as like adding those -3 and a 6. And again, you're still going to get 3. So that's the answer there. Here I saw multiple answers. I saw people turning this to a mixed fraction. So 2 times 3 plus 1 is 7/2. 4 times 2 plus 1 ended up being 9/4. When you do that, you get 63/8. And that converts to 7 7/8. And then you remember we have a positive number multiplied by a negative, so you just need to make sure your answer is negative. I had other students see the 3.5 and put 3.5, 3.5, and then they multiplied that by -2.25. So you would multiply those together, you know you're going to get a negative answer, and you end up getting -7.875. Okay, so we have -6 minus -12. Again, salsa number 9 usage, which is great. You start at 0, you go to -6, and then you're going to minus -12. So if I was minusing, I'm going backwards, right? But I'm minusing a negative quantity, so that we have to do the opposite of that, and that really turns into adding 12. So you end up landing at 6. So again, a negative, we could just turn that into a plus. And if we've got this minus or this negative quantity and 12, it's really 12 combining the -6. So really, it's 12 minus 6. This is 6. Over here, we just have division of decimals. I did have a few students just give me the answer, which I'm thinking, did you just have a calculator? How did you magically just get this to evolve into an answer? So you just got to go ahead and do your long division. Okay, so how many 4s go into 1? 0. How many 4s go into 12? 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So we minus that. We bring a 2 down. How many 4s go into 2? 0. I'm bringing up my decimal. I'm bringing down my 2. How many 4s go into 22? So 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So we get 20. We bring down a 0. How many 4s go into 20? Again, that's 5. So we end up at just 0. So we've got to remember a positive divided by a negative is a negative. So the final answer is -30.55.